As you already know, I'm back with another video. Max is being all mean and dropped me on the floor.
By accident.
No, you literally got your hand and scooted over while my hand was on your hand, and I fell. Cause you went like this, and that's how I fell.
I was smiling because I was watching something cool. That's why I was smiling. I wasn't smiling because I dropped you. I was just smiling.
Hi.
Guys, I accidentally dropped Lloyd off the chair. Now she's being mean to me.
I forgot I was still recording. Now I'm recording my brother.
Stop!
I'm recording Max.
Stop! Why are you recording me? I don't want to record me. I already told you to stop recording me.
I'm recording myself. It's not flipped on you, Max.